Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe for the Spaghetti Bolognese. With simple ingredients and robust flavors, it's a well-rounded meal which is both delicious and nutritious. To begin, heat 1 tablespoon olive oil in a pan, add 2 bay leaves, half a cup onion and 5 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Saute until the onions are translucent, do not brown. Next, add quarter cup carrots and quarter cup celery sticks finely diced. Cook for a minute or two. Now add 250 grams minced chicken. Cook on medium heat until the liquid dries up and it browns a bit. Once cooked, add in 1.5 cups blanched and pureed tomatoes, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, half teaspoon dried thyme, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, 2 teaspoons balsamic vinegar and quarter cup chicken stock. Stir and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer until the sauce thickens. In the meantime, boil 250 grams spaghetti in salted water as per instructions on the package until al dente. Drain well and keep aside. To serve, place the spaghetti in a serving dish, spoon the bolognese sauce on top, sprinkle with spring onions. The spaghetti bolognese is ready to serve. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.